Have you ever felt like you didn't quite belong? Like you'd made too many mistakes to ever be welcome in the presence of someone holy? Well, let me tell you a story. One day, Jesus was invited to dinner at a Pharisee's house. Now the Pharisees, they were the religious experts of the day. They knew the rules, they kept up appearances, they did everything by the book. Jesus sat down, ready to eat. But then, something remarkable happened. A woman from the city, someone everyone knew as a sinner, walked into that house. She didn't come with excuses or apologies, she came with tears, she came with a heart bursting with regret and hope. She knelt at Jesus' feet, weeping. Her tears fell like rain, washing the dust from his feet. She wiped them dry with her own hair, kissed them, and poured precious ointment from an alabaster box. Imagine that. In a room full of religious leaders, she was the only one brave enough to show her heart. Of course, the Pharisee Simon was shocked. He thought if Jesus were really a prophet, he'd know what kind of woman this is. He wouldn't let her touch him. But Jesus, as always, saw right through to Simon's heart. He told a story about two people who owed money. One owed a lot, the other a little. Both debts were forgiven. Who do you think loved the creditor more? Jesus asked. Simon replied, I suppose the one who was forgiven the most. Exactly. Then, turning to the woman, Jesus made it clear. Simon hadn't even offered the basic courtesies of hospitality. No water for his feet, no welcoming kiss, no oil for his head. But this woman, this so-called sinner, had done all that and more simply out of love and gratitude. Jesus said, her sins, which are many, are forgiven, for she loved much. But the one who is forgiven little, loves little. And to the woman he said, your sins are forgiven, your faith has saved you. Go in peace. What does this mean for you and me? Sometimes we're like Simon, keeping our distance, convinced we're good enough, judging others from afar. Other times we're like the woman, painfully aware of our faults, longing for forgiveness, desperate for peace. But here's the good news. It isn't about how perfect you are or how many mistakes you've made. It's about faith. It's about coming to Jesus with an honest heart, tears and all. Will your faith save you? Then go in peace too.